That sound? That's the sound of shattered expectations. Most first-time telescopes promise the rings of Saturn and deliver a blurry, frustrating dot. But what if you could skip that failure? What if your very first look was crystal clear, jaw-dropping, and real? After testing every major model this year, I found the 5 that actually deliver on that promise. One of them isn't even a telescope in the traditional sense, and it might be the most genius entry point ever created. This isn't just a list. This is your escape from disappointment. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. Celestron NexStar 8 SE. Best overall beginner telescope. The Celestron NexStar 8 SE is a top pick if you're serious about diving into stargazing and want something powerful but user-friendly. This telescope is a compact Schmidt-Cassegrain design with a generous 8-inch aperture, which means it pulls in a ton of light, producing crisp, detailed views of everything from the moon and planets to distant galaxies and nebulae. What really makes the 8 SE shine is how easy it is to use. With Celestron Skyline technology, all you have to do is point it at any 3 bright objects in the sky, and it automatically aligns itself. From there, the NexStar Plus hand controller gives you access to a database of over 40,000 celestial objects. Just pick one, and the scope will automatically find and follow it, no star maps or complicated setup required. Once it locks onto your target, the 8 SE even tracks it in real time, so you don't have to keep adjusting as the sky shifts. Setup can be a little tricky at first, but it comes with clear instructions and solid customer support if you get stuck. The 8 SE also includes a few handy accessories, a finder scope, a basic Plossl eyepiece, and a visual back. Number 2. Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ. Best portable beginner telescope. If you love taking weekend camping trips or heading out to dark sky spots, lugging around a huge telescope can be a pain. That's where the Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ comes in. It's one of the best beginner-friendly portable telescopes out there. The AstroMaster 102AZ is built for convenience. It's lightweight, compact, and super easy to set up. Just unpack it, lock a few pieces in place, and you're ready to explore the sky. The grab-and-go design makes it a breeze to toss in the car or carry to your favorite viewing spot. Despite its size, this scope packs a punch with a 102mm 4-inch aperture, which gives you sharp, detailed views of things like the moon's craters, Jupiter's moons, and even Saturn's rings. It's got a smooth manual alt-azimuth mount, so you can easily point and move the telescope in any direction with a natural, intuitive feel. One of the cool things about this scope is that it's not just for stargazing. During the day, you can use it to check out distant landscapes, birds, or wildlife, or anything you want to zoom in on from a distance. Number 3. ZWO Seestar S50 Smart Digital Telescope. Best beginner telescope for astrophotography. If you're ready to start capturing stunning photos of the night sky, the ZWO Seestar S50 telescope is an incredible choice for beginner astrophotographers. While some telescopes are great for deep sky viewing, like the Skywatcher Classic 200, or effortless alignment, like the Celestron NexStar 8 SE, the Seestar S50 is purpose-built for taking amazing space photos, and it makes the process surprisingly beginner-friendly. This is a compact, all-in-one smart telescope that combines a telescope, tracking mount, camera, focuser, and dew heater into one sleek device. Sounds high-tech, but don't worry, setup is a breeze, and there's even a step-by-step video tutorial if you need help. The Seestar TH10 mount offers smooth up/down and 360 degrees panning, and you can use equatorial mode in the app for longer exposure times, more stable tracking, and crisp, professional quality shots without that frustrating star trailing effect. The Seestar app is packed with cool features for shooting the night sky. Plan mode lets you schedule shots of different celestial objects, set them, and forget them. Mosaic mode allows you to stitch multiple images together into wide, sweeping views of the stars. You can even view everything live from your iPad and capture photos without touching the telescope itself. Number 4. Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ. This telescope allows you to work with your phone to find the most interesting sights of the night. When you look up at the sky at night, you can see between dozens and hundreds of bright lights, which is the way our brain and eyes pair up to render the stars, planets, and other features of the night sky. You'd think zooming in on them would be easy, but it isn't. Celestron StarSense Explorer DX130AZ teams up with your smartphone to guide you not only toward the stars and planets but also to specific stars and planets. Using your phone, you can choose a target or pick from selected astral bodies that are visible from your location on the given night you're stargazing. Number 5. Celestron AstroMaster 70AZ. Best budget. This budget telescope has everything you need to really get started. When we look at budget telescopes, the classic design and build of the Celestron AstroMaster 70AZ make it a quick favorite. It will look and feel like what you're thinking of when you think of a simple telescope, making it feel familiar right away, even if you don't have much or any experience with telescopes. This is a do-it-by-hand sort of machine, and all of the smarts are going to have to come from you. But, with its affordable price and simple mechanisms, you're likely to be very happy with it. It's a lightweight machine and doesn't have pro-tier fine-tuning, which can make it somewhat fidgety when you're aiming for precision focus, but getting a good peek in is highly possible. Overall, this is a great starter telescope. And there you have it, your passport to the cosmos, vetted for 2026. No more guesswork. Whichever path you choose from these 5, you're starting a journey that changes how you see everything. Ready to take the leap? Every telescope, mount, and essential accessory we discussed is linked for you in the video description below. If this guide saved you from a costly mistake, pay it forward, smash that like button, and share this with someone who dreams of the stars. And subscribe, because next week, we're going beyond the eyepiece. We'll reveal the one forbidden object you should never point your new telescope at, and why. Clear skies until then.